Hi, I'm Kelvin. I'm going to introduce our group project by me and my teammate Curtis, which we're making uh, coming up with an ideas of construction management software. So we spotted issues in recent years that in Hong Kong, the cases of construction workers keeps on increasing, in which construction workers sometimes fall from high position or they may be in danger for various reasons. And we believe that the root of the problem is because of the unstable support and the careless checking toward the safety bucket. So we come up with the ideas that we want to find a solution that reduce the need of working at high position or increase the safety if the workers have to work in high position. That's why we comes up with construction drone. We believe that construction drone can monitor the situation of the building better, and we also have an idea of making an apps system that remind workers of the checking process. So, our project is basically to create an app that manage construction regarding buildings. It includes a drone calling service, a construction management system, and a data feedback system. So every typically residential buildings that join our project will be associated with a drone, and this building will be scanned regularly by the drone, and the image will be processed by AI to find potential dangers such as cracks. And these data will be sent back to the residential buildings company and also the construction company if they're working on the project regarding the residential buildings. And before any construction, the drone can also serve as a double check that it can do a thorough check on the buildings to see whether there's any potential danger for workers. And we also want to design our app to provide a construction management systems in which employers can check or like manage the work of employees, and also when employees, which means the construction workers, typically working at high position, before they start their construction work, they can follow the process, the required reminder in the app systems that require them to do checking toward the safety bucket and all the safety um, measure. So in this project, we use definitely a drone that used for taking image and scanning the buildings. In other terms, we also we also are going to develop an app that can provide drone calling service in which the buildings itself or the manager of the building can call drone for service and scan the buildings regularly for check. We also will provide a construction management system and also a feedback systems. So we believe that our project is pretty competitive, pretty in the advantage because there are, although there's already similar apps existing in the market, um, our app covers a more comprehensive function. We'll have the drone calling service, which is our crucial part. It provides details of the buildings in which um, it greatly reduces the danger of workers by really finding the potential danger and look and provide clear image for maybe engineer to check. And our management system also require workers to take steps to check their safety measure. I think the main part about our project is that in Hong Kong, it's such a narrow space that a lot of times some areas cannot be reached by workers. So drone take a good advantage of its small size that it can go and take pictures or an image or sort of scan through those narrow area that is sometimes crucial. And our target of this project is both construction companies and residential buildings companies. We hope that um, we can sort of provide a sort of like cooperation through the app, or in other words, companies of residential building can use the app themselves alone, but when the construction companies join or like cooperate with this residential building, the data from the drone can be sent to the construction companies for their reference so that workers' safety can be ensured. Um, Meanwhile, the app can serve as just a general management system for construction companies. So construction companies can use it as a management system as well. Um, our marketing strategies is mainly through advertising our product on at construction sites, through government promotion and cooperation with Hong Kong Housing Authority and Housing Department and the Labor Department. And we will also regularly advertise on television. We will mainly focus to reaching out to construction companies and developers, sort of through companies, and to seek for cooperation and to introduce our project. So our business model is that our service mostly autonomy. However, we will teach and install the facility for the drone. We also aim to ensure the safety of construction workers, but the app can be used for various purposes. It is mainly used to send back data from the drone for companies. Um, we'll also set up like physical shops for briefing in Hong Kong and also selling some service to typical or like individuals that need this service. And at last, our income will come from mainly the fee for purchasing our service or the app, and also the payment on materials and product, and also regular drone maintenance and the updates or installation of new type of drones. But our costs or our capitals will be mostly devoted towards software development, drone repair and maintenance, and also AI renovation. So this will be our project, mainly an app for construction. And thank you.